Broken Vows, a universal English learning story. Welcome to today's English learning story, a story about love, trust, betrayal, and new beginnings. As you listen, you will learn simple, intermediate, and advanced English in a natural way. This is the story of Ethan and Sophie. Part 1. A Love That Looked Perfect. Sophie believed Ethan loved her deeply. He always came with expensive gifts. He treated her with kindness and spoke to her with gentle words. Her mother thought Ethan was wealthy, but Ethan had no such intention. He never wanted a serious relationship. He only wanted to spend time and then walk away. Vocabulary: gentle, soft, and kind. Wealthy, rich. Walk away, leave without caring. Part 2. The Unexpected Attack. One evening, Ethan came secretly to meet Sophie. He signaled her by coughing quietly. But something unexpected happened. Sophie's father saw Ethan hiding near the back of the house. He misunderstood the situation completely. He shouted loudly, "Thief! Catch him!" People rushed from every direction. They beat Ethan without asking a single question. Blood covered his face. His pride was crushed. In unbearable anger, Ethan shouted, "I will marry your daughter, I promise." Vocabulary: misunderstand, fail to understand correctly. Pride, self-respect. Unbearable, too painful to tolerate. Part 3. Marriage without peace. A few days later, Ethan and Sophie ran away and got married. But married life was not a fairy tale. Ethan didn't take her to his family home. Instead, he took her to a small rented room in the city. At first, everything seemed fine. But soon, Sophie felt something was wrong. Whenever she asked, "Can I meet your family?" Ethan replied, "They won't accept you." But the real truth was painful. Ethan sent most of his money to his parents. He couldn't afford both responsibilities. Finally, he said, "Stay with your parents for some time," and Sophie had no choice. Vocabulary: fairy tale, magical and perfect. Responsibility: something you must take care of. Part 4. The harsh truth. Weeks passed, months passed. But Ethan never returned to take her back. One day, Sophie's neighbor revealed a truth that changed everything. She said, "Ethan was already married before he met you. He has 2 children." Sophie felt completely broken. Her world collapsed. Her dreams vanished instantly. Vocabulary: reveal, to show the truth. Collapsed, fell apart. Vanish, disappear suddenly. Part 5. A new journey begins. Sophie stopped waiting for Ethan. She stopped believing his lies. Slowly, her heart began to heal. A new person came into her life. Not rich, not perfect, but honest, gentle, and caring. He told her, "You deserve a better future." Maybe this was the beginning of a stronger, happier life. Vocabulary: deserve, to be worthy of something good. Heal, recover emotionally. If this story helped you learn English, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FSB Learning English. More global English learning stories are coming soon. Stay with us, learn with us, grow with us.